Okay, I finally made it up to the top of the cave, and this is what the inside of the cave looks like. It might go back there a little further and get kind of narrow back there, but sorry, it's a little chilly up here. But this is the outside, and you can look down. They're built like a little tower here, and you have to go up that spiral staircase. But I'm going to walk out on the grate. Hopefully it's going to hold me here. And somebody has made a, there's what you can see looking out here. And I thought there'd be a better view of the valley, but that's more off to the other side over there. I'm going to come inside here and go over to the other side. And ooh, it's a little bit of a, like a rock fell on here. I'm holding on to the side in case the bottom gives out on me. But here's the side of the mountain right here where it's built in. And that's the view. And we can look down there too and see everything is down there. Come back here and you can see the road I had to drive up on. Had to go 10 miles per hour on less in my rental car because it's more of a four-wheel drive road. I just went real slow and made it up here. And just to say I was here. And I guess this grading up here is supposed to keep the rocks from falling on here. I'm going to walk over to this side. And you can see part of the trail down there. There's a few other people that climbed up here also. And I'm going to come around here and take a look at myself. So here I am. It's August the 7th, 2019. I'm in New Mexico at Sandia Cave. And I'm going to look out in back of me here. I'm going to make a full turnaround. And so you can see the cave back here. And there it is. So that's the cave. We're looking out over here. And there's the spiral staircase, as you can see, going down there. And looking up here. Okay, I'm getting ready to head down on the spiral staircase here. So, and that's it down there. I have to get down. And that's what it looks like down there. And coming down on the other side here. Going to take it real slow. There's a truck stop down there. You can see. And come down here. And there's fire extension. Here's where I'm coming from here. Gotta watch my head. There's the trail right there. And almost down to the bottom. Almost safe and sound here. Okay. Coming down. Coming into the shade here. And down here. And I made it down to the bottom here. I'll come over here. Take a look back. And there you can see up there. There's some other people up there. But there it is on the side of the hill here. We'll take a little look, another pan from up here before we start heading down. You have to do that drive all the way down here. So this is the trail ahead. I better switch hands so I can hold on to the railing. And switching hands. And okay. Gotta watch my step here, because here there's a fence, but in some parts of the trail there's nothing, and it's not an even trail. It's very uneven, so you have to watch your step here. Coming back down. Okay. Trying to watch where I'm going. Look ahead. Hold on. Work the camera. Hey, I'm only one man. I can only do so much. So, once we get in the shade over here, I'll turn the camera around so you can look back. I think I got my water with me, yeah. Okay, here we come to another set of steps. These steps are not in very good condition here, but that's where we came from, and you can see the walkway up there. This I have to take real slow, and steps are very worn away here, although I'm picking them up and putting them down, as you can see. And okay, steps get a little better as we get to the bottom. And let's stay up against the wall here. I'm going to put this back in my right hand so I can use the left hand for grabbing hold if I need to. Okay, stay close to the wall, close to the wall. That's what you want to do. We've got some reinforcement here as you're going down here, so keep the road from washing out. And luckily it's bone dry, so trail is nice and hard. There's no slippery spots or anything here. And I'm going to turn this off in a little bit because it's just mostly the trail going back down, and I might need both hands in some of the other areas here. But I don't want to start sliding down to the edge there. So, okay, you got the general idea. I think we're going to put the camera away here. This is Ed Getley. I'm on the trail in New Mexico. And I'll do a 360 here so you can see in back of me. And there it is. We're on the trail. I'm going to change the battery pretty soon anyhow. So I'll do that when I get back down to the car. When I get down to paved road. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.